In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share and collaborate on notes using Google Sites. Whether you're working on a group project, planning an event, or just brainstorming with a friend, knowing how to use Google Sites for collaboration can really streamline your process. So let's dive right in and make sharing your ideas as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to go to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps button, usually represented by a grid icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu of all Google applications. Scroll down until you find Google Sites and click on it. This will take you to the main page where you can view all your existing sites or start a new one. If you haven't created a site yet, this is a great opportunity to explore and familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you're on Google Sites, the next step is selecting the specific note or site you're planning to share. Navigate through your list of sites until you find the one you want to collaborate on. Click to open it, and this will bring up all the current content and options for editing and sharing. Google Sites is designed to be intuitive, so you should be able to find everything you need without too much searching. Now, to share your note with others, look for the Collaborator option. This is typically located at the top right of your screen, symbolized by an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Click on it and a sharing menu will pop up. Here you'll see a field where you can input the Gmail address of the person you wish to confer access to. Type in their email, ensuring it's spelled correctly to avoid any sending issues. It's important to note that the people you're inviting need to have a Gmail account to access Google Sites. After you've entered the email addresses of your collaborators, you can adjust their level of access. Generally, you'll be able to choose between Can View or Can Edit. If you want them to be able to make changes to your note or site, select Can Edit. Otherwise, if you simply want them to see the content without altering it, Can View will suffice. Once you've set their permissions, click Send or Share to finalize. This way, your collaborators will receive an email invitation to join you on the site. And just like that, you're done. This straightforward process can significantly enhance your productivity by making it easy to bring others into your creative and planning processes. Whether it's a professional setting or a personal project, utilizing Google Sites' sharing capabilities can greatly simplify collaborative efforts. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully this guide has helped you understand how to effectively share notes on Google Sites. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.